Let me start you off with a cold start, you guys. Alright, let's get today started. This is the biggest problem I have with just a single compressor, because right now it's at 154. It tries to go up all the way up to 180, and as you can see, it just keeps going. So bag riders, I just sent the second compressor out to them, so hopefully they should be getting it this by the end of this week, and then they should have my second compressor sent out by next week, so then I can have two compressors. It'll go up a lot faster, and then I don't have to worry about this anymore. Today we are also going to be fixing the trunk setup, because as you can see right here, it's still a mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try my best to get the wood trunk set up, as well as tuck all the wires and like just put the interior back to stock, because I like my car looking clean, and I like using as much room as I can. So let's get today started. We're going to go back to Antioch, but first, your boy need some gas.
Full hours are dedicated to crime and justice, Monday to Thursday, starting at 6 on HLN.
Oh my god. Because what's money, right? I hate California gas, bro. Everywhere else is so cheap, but this...
Can you record this?
Woo! VTech, baby! You know, I know there's a beep going on here. That thing's beeping. Don't know why, but yeah, so got my, my meal prep and my starves. We're gonna get this started in a bit, but as of right now, don't mind the beeping, sorry, but this is as close as black as I can get. This is dark aged wood, or dark aged oak. So it's like kind of gray, as you can see right there, and I kind of wanted to keep that like dark theme going on with the car, because when I do wrap this vehicle, it's gonna contrast well. And once I have like everything set up, it's gonna look really good. So yeah, I didn't really want to go with a brown, because I feel like everybody goes with the brown. So I went with like a dark gray. Catch you guys in a bit. It's super hot. Gonna chill for a little bit, and then we can get this started. We got Jonah here with the van culture man over there. All right, so right now we have to take out the air out of my tank. I should have a little, goddamn. Look at that, see dude, there's like wires everywhere. I just want to clean this up. So the bottom of this, there should be a thing that I can just press so that I can release all the air. This thing right here, you know what I mean? So we take this off, and then the compressor won't turn on. Then we'll take this thing out, and then we can measure, we could lay it out onto the wood, cut the wood, put it in here, then we'll be good. Tomorrow. Oh shit.
What?
Oh, there's water. Oh. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna drain it. At first I was scared because it's the first time doing it, but there is supposed to be water in here, because as air sits inside your tank, it does have condensation, so water will come out. But I might spray it on you, dude.
Don't, please don't.
You know, we're just airing out, you know. So we're doing this because we're disconnecting all the wires from, or all the lines from the tank. It's better if we do this and have all the air out, because so it doesn't like release air to us, you know. All right guys, so we got all the air out. So right now we're gonna use a Sharpie, and we're gonna mark down where each line is and correspond it to the brain. So we'll put a tape right here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then there's 6, yeah, and then we'll put it on tape right there too, so we know where each line goes, so that we're not like blindly putting the lines into like different areas. Shit looks hella ugly. All right, so we'll put this as 1, and then we'll take that out, and then 2 3 4 5 6, and then yeah, when that's done, I'll get back to you guys when all this is out, so then we can make a template of the trunk. Then we can cut the wood from there and then put it in the trunk. So right now we have the brain up here. We remove the port that goes out to the back left tire so that it can like make noises when I air out. We remove the tank line already. I'm just gonna leave this here for now, and then we're gonna push the tank that way so that we have a lot of room so we can measure out the flooring and then we can cut it up. Alright guys, so we put one of my wheel boxes on my 2020 track car. So right now we're just gonna keep cutting away until it fits perfectly right there, and then we can make this bottom part from a different piece of cardboard, and then we'll tape it together. We'll have that template, and then we can lay it out on the wood. And then so after that we can start making it look dope. Hey, build humbly, alright? Not all of us are privileged to have box cutters. We got it all figured out. So we, I don't know if you guys see the outline. We outlined the whole trunk, and then we set it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll take apart each plank. We'll put it in the backyard, and then we'll start cutting away, and hopefully everything fits perfect. After that, we can start drilling in the holes for the tank as well as the compressor. And
Smells like skunk.
as well as the compressor and the harness, and then so that we can have everything down and it'll be good. Okay, so guys, that's time to cut. There's no going back. No, you can't zoom in. It's a fixed 16. So we're gonna cut outside the line, and then after that we can start you know, working on it, you know. Alright guys, so sometimes when you're like using really dangerous tools and you're cutting dangerous wood, you have to make sure you're well protected. As you can see here, I got gardening gloves. These have the little rubber on the inside so that, you know, grip, just like tires. So we're gonna cut the eye protection as well. It's very important. If you can't see, then you can't cut. If you can't cut, you can't see. And then if you can't see, then you can't drive, then you won't get the cool points like how we do it in this garage. So
Hello, my boy Gabe. Hey, I got a V8 Toyota Sequoia. Check me out. He's
like, fuck you. Hold on, I'm gonna mark this off. Maybe just like cut like this, or cut straight down. No, it's getting too much, huh? So we have the whole trunk set up right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna finish the trunk. Actually, we're gonna mount this at the top, and then as of right now, we're just gonna 3M tape it with a super strong hold 3M tape, because there's a lot of contact between the bracket and this metal part right there. And then so we can have the compressors, both compressors down there, and then have the brain right here. And then what we'll do is we'll run these lines underneath and then pop it out that way. So I'm gonna cut a square over there. So yes, the trunk set up for now. I'm gonna get the 3M tape, get this all situated, and then I'll get back to you guys in a bit to see how everything works. Hold on. Oh! Shit. See, it's already sticking, bro. Right there. Shit. Right there. Okay, stay there for like 80 minutes.
Push it up. Push it up. You can't let go.
Wait, there we go. No, because I want to hold, or just, I mean, it's zip tight because you're just holding it up, but.
You gotta put pressure.
Get some
Hold
shoelace.
on. Once I zip tie it, it'll be able to hold it in place.
It's good, you know. I'm going to be holding this forever, so
He's living.
I'm going to live in Royce's car, basically.
He's my tank holder.
I am the 3M tape.
Alright guys, Okay guys, so this is gonna be the trunk setup. As you can see, we did all the wood, and then we also mounted the tank at the top, just because it looks a lot better than what it would be if it was on the bottom, so I can utilize more trunk space. As you can see, damn. Don't mind this, because this is just the air release, the air drain plug that we have, so I'll probably like put that back onto somewhere. But yeah, we got the compressor right there. We're gonna be putting the next compressor over there, so then we can mount it up right here. So it's gonna give us a lot better look. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is freaking sick. This is as close to, I know it looks brown right now, but like in the light gray, but right now it looks brown. But yeah, this is only like 23 bucks after tax. So if you guys want to do this, hit up Lowe's. You can get it for 23 bucks. But yeah, dude. Woo! I mean, I think it's good, dude.
I think it should be good.
It's not. Yes.
We just turned it on and we started it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna clean this up, put the sticker on there, and then that'll be it for today's video. So I'll catch you guys in a bit with the more cinematic shots. But yeah guys, so we actually found out where the leak's coming from. It's coming from back here, if you can hear it. Watch. Yeah, so it's leaking from the brain, so we just have to plug it in more. Hopefully that does the trick, but damn, look at this. Woo, Bill Humbly, y'all. Yeet! Fix the leak. We just had to put one of the hoses in more in the management system, but yeah, man, that's the trunk setup. 23 bucks, 25 bucks, give or take. That's all you need, bro. And then a wood saw over there, and patience.
You need Jonah to hold it up.
Jonah to hold it up. You need your own personal tank holder. Dude, we were saying like we're gonna have him just stay there for like at shows and be like, "Hey, I'm a tank holder. Get your tank holder here today." But yeah, guys, hope you guys like this video. If I could do it, you can do it. And you know, just build humbly. So I'll catch you guys next time. I don't know what I'm gonna be installing next, but it'd be something really cool.
Waterfall?
Whoa, what, Hennessy waterfall? But yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Make sure you guys build humbly, and until next time, I'll catch you guys
on the next one.
Peace. Let's see if you watch my videos. What do I do at the end of my videos? Yes! Yes!